Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na Bynta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na Bynta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandaj puli daka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio license an riway khandai pra.
Commentary kita nak ke Khot ke Khia ke Dr. Amperin Lingdo kalayathu bag sarkar menta ke thmu ban Khot interview no nak benta ke kam mid level health providers Tura kalayathu ba anslang no ya ke jing Khot interview ha ke hendro trik unai luar arja apulai kani ke jing kren jongka ke dei sisngi hadian ba MDC ke Tura o Bernard and Marak ulatho sak sarkar pedeng halor kani gamat.
In response to the observation that there was not adequate attention paid to the qualified MLHP or the mid-level health providers across the state of Meghalaya, we have decided to have a walk-in interview on the 6th of September in Garo Hills to be centered at Tura. And yes, this will be an exercise for us, because very few institutes are actually running this BSc, after the BSc nursing, a 6-month course specified for this kind of a qualification. Now these MLHPs are very important health provider units for us across the state. Certain formalities for the submission of utilization certificates becomes very important if the MLHP is not in position. MLHP are also our one-stop research collectors. So these posts are very important. We've just had a long discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister, and we are committed towards ensuring that we will have such 6 months training programs across the state, have institutes to run them, so that we are able to attend to all the requirements, especially at the sub-center level. So we have responded adequately. We will be having a special drive even in the Garo Hills region, and we hope that we will be able to understand whether there are any qualified candidates or not, and if you are qualified, please come to that interview, but not again get into this debate without a malified intention. An advertisement was floated, and all those that applied were accordingly accommodated.